Hello everybody and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen, where we continue our theme of American-inspired meals. So far we've made hamburgers and hot dogs, steak and mashed potatoes, pizza and chicken sandwiches. But one thing we haven't made this season is a dessert yet. And so today I thought we'd go with that beloved American classic, a banana split. The banana split is believed to have been invented in 1904 by David Strickler, a pharmacist apprentice in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. He created the dessert to attract customers and increase ice cream sales. It quickly became popular and spread throughout the country. So just 5 simple ingredients. Here's our banana. I just bought this yesterday, so it's fresh. Vanilla ice cream, chocolate syrup, whipped cream, and maraschino cherries. So first we'll take our banana. Sometimes these are not as easy to peel as you'd like. Right there. And then I'll see if I can cut this in half lengthwise without breaking it. Kind of a delicate operation. That's all right, it's still coming off there. Put that one there. This one here. And then there's our banana. Okay, next, the fun part. I'm going to go with vanilla ice cream. You can use whatever other flavors you want. Sometimes people put strawberry or chocolate too, but we'll go with vanilla here. There's a nice scoop right there. Usually I do for this nice kind of serving dish. Mom has one of these. I don't know where we got it from, but it's perfect for banana split. And here's a third scoop of vanilla ice cream like that. Okay, now we got to work quickly because we don't want this to melt. So next, a little bit of chocolate syrup on. Again, you can use other flavors if you want. A little bit of whipped cream. I don't like a ton. There. And then I'm going to put 1 cherry on top of each scoop of ice cream. Out like there. And then of course we got to try it. Get some of the banana and the vanilla. There's just something about that combination. It's perfect. The fruit and the ice cream. Mom likes to call it ice creamy flavor. Really delicious. And of course I got to try a cherry. I love those maraschino cherries. They're perfect. I hope you get a chance to try this homemade banana split. It's really easy to make. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much to Mom for her help running the camera. And we'll see you next time from the Tellow Family Kitchen.